Welcome to Learn Funnel System. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can choose the best Systeme plan that will be a good fit for your need, and also I'll help you save some money, and I will show some secret discounts that you will not see anywhere else. Let's get started. The Systeme has got like mainly free plans. Without including the free plan is for people just test out all the features. You are not limited by anything. You will get a sneak peek of every feature. As you can see here, you can save up to 2000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails. You have 3 sales funnels and 15 steps, 1 blog and 1 course, 1 community. Everything is one automation rules, one workflows once. Once you start using it, these things won't be enough. Workflows, you'll have to have different automation rules and workflows and tags. So this is to test and how to get started. My advice would be to after using this for a more than 3 years, I know some tips and tricks that will help you save some money. The first thing would be to use the yearly package, because that can save you a lot of money. And if you scroll down, you can see that this offers a free migration, right? If you are currently using any of the other platform like Jabi or like Teachable or ClickFunnels, if you have already built a lot of sales funnels settings, automations and things like that, if you want to migrate it, you can do that for free. How you will get that is by going with the unlimited plan. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will get free migration only with the unlimited plan, and you will also have like a one-on-one coaching session if you go with the unlimited plan. The unlimited plan, if you are on monthly, in order to get started, then if you want, you can revert back. That's completely up to you. Once you switch back the yearly plan, as you can see, if you want everything unlimited, like if you don't want to be limited by any funnels or automations or anything like that, it's all unlimited. You won't get this much value anywhere else if you choose the unlimited plan, because you are not limited by any limitation, and you will also get 30% discount. And I will show you how you can get a 40% discount, which is not available here. I have created my own page where I have listed all the offers that's available. As you can see, if you choose this plan, I would recommend this plan. If you click on this buy now link, it will take you to this page where you can claim 40% discount on the Systeme startup plan, where if you take this package, you will only have to pay $16.4 per month, and instead of the usual $27 monthly fee. So you can see it's like a good amount of saving, and you will also get free migration. That's what makes it really cool, because you get free migration, and you can cancel it anytime as you want. That's one offer. This is the best offer. And if you go to the webinar pricing, instead of paying like $33 for the webinar pricing plan, you will have to pay like $47 per month. You can save a lot of money by paying the yearly pricing. And here also you will get free migration if you are moving from some other system, and you will save around $168 per year. That's why I encourage you to check this plan, especially if you want. Who is this plan for? The free plan is for people who just get started. The startup plan is mainly aimed at people who learned how to use Systeme and wanted to start implementing this system into their business. And for webinar is for people who want to run evergreen webinars. This means every video will be pre-recorded, and you can host that with Systeme, and they have different settings for that. And if you want everything unlimited, you'll have to go with the unlimited plan, where everything is unlimited and you are not limited with you don't have any limits here. You are truly unlimited with that plan. And if you come here, you can also see that there is like migration. You will get it, which is around $2,000 value. Everything will be migrated over to your account. And for an unlimited plan, you instead of paying just $27 per month, you will only have to pay like $69 per month, and you will not have any limits. And this will also help you save like more than $336 per year, and you will get a 30% discount as well. So that's how that's the plan here. And one more offer that I want to give you: if you buy any plans from this link and send me a mail after the purchase, you can fill this form, and I will give you a PLR access, where you will get access to all these courses absolutely for free, and you can sell it and keep the 100% profit for yourself. You can check out all these classes that's available in this PLR course, and you can make an informed decision after that. That's from me. I hope this was helpful. This is all the offer that I know of. Those are the best offers that's available with Systeme.io right now. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, and if you want to learn everything for free, consider subscribing, because this channel is completely dedicated for Systeme.io, and I will teach you everything that I know for free without subscribing you to any list or anything like that. It's completely free for the public. Everything is accessible. It's not under any paywall or anything. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.